Hello and welcome! In this How to Draw video, we'll be drawing a Mr Tickle! Yeah, he's a character with very long arms who goes around tickling people. So we hope you follow along and have lots of fun. Let's get started. Drawing, let's go.
Let's get drawing.
Okay, so we've got our paper and we've got something to draw with. So let's start drawing. Let's draw Mr Tickle's body. Now it's a very easy shape, it's just a big circle.
Yeah.
We just need to make sure we leave little gaps on the side for his arms and his feet. So I think the first thing we're going to do is draw the top of his head or his body and just stop there. So it's basically drawing a bit of a semicircle. Yeah. And then we continue going down, we leave a little bit of a gap for the arms, and then down at the bottom we leave a little bit of gap there as well for his legs. Okay, there we go.
Looking good.
Looking good indeed. So let's draw his legs and feet. So we're going to draw a little line going down like that, and then his feet, nice round curve like that, and then in the middle we go up back to his body, and then we just do the same on the other side.
And then we put a line in the middle.
Yeah, no, we can do a line in the middle to separate those legs. Alright, so I think the next part we'll draw is his
wiggly arms.
Wiggly arms. So he's got really long wiggly arms. So you can start down here.
Kind of doing some S's.
Yeah, you can make your own shape like that. And so once you've done one line, you just do a line parallel to it, going down, connecting to the bottom, connecting to the body.
And then do something on the other side.
Yeah, well, first of all, we're going to draw his hands.
Oh, yeah.
Because remember he's got hands on there, so we're going to draw 4 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we just do the same thing on the other side. We do a nice, wiggly, wavy arms. And then once you've done one line, you just follow the shape with the other one. And then, yeah, 4 fingers at the top again.
And then now we can do his hat. His hat is actually floating above his head.
Yeah, okay, so let's do that. So we draw his hat. So first of all, it's normally floating, so we draw a nice curve like that, and then we draw another semicircle on top like that. And that is pretty much it.
But we just need to do the face.
Yeah, so with the hat, there's one other little detail. I'm going to use a thinner marker.
Oh, yeah.
There's a little line there because his hat's two different colours. Beautiful. Alright, so let's draw his face. I think we'll draw his mouth first.
Yeah.
So
Banana.
It's a giant banana. He's very happy and very smiley because he's tickling everybody. So do a bit of a banana shape like that. And then, because his mouth is open, you can do another curve in there for his tongue. And if you want to, Natasha, you can add in teeth there as well. Okay. I'm just going to put a little curve at the end of his mouth there because he's pushing up his cheeks. Yeah, that's right. Now let's draw his eyes. His eyes, nice and easy, are 2 ovals. Yeah.
I think circles.
And I'm just going to colour them in black because that's what they are, but you can colour them any other way. And there we go, that's Mr Tickle done. That's right, so the next part is to colour in. And we're back! So we finished colouring in, and the great thing I like about colouring in Mr Men characters is they're super easy. They're normally just one colour. In this case it's bright orange, my favourite colour. And you can also, with the arms, you can make it any shape you want. And he's got really long arms, so you can go all the way around the page if you like, or you can add another page, you can do all sort of crazy things. So, you happy with your drawing?
Yes.
Yeah, awesome. I think you did a wonderful job there. Well, thanks for watching. Hope you followed along and had lots of fun. Check out our channel. We've got lots of other Mr Men and Little Miss characters for you to enjoy. So we hope to see you again very soon. Bye.